If William Ruto doesn't fix Kenya, who can? You have been in this government the longest. You are with President Moi, you are with President Kibaki, you've been with President Uhuru, now you are yourself. Surely, my president. Na wale wengine, Your Excellency, skianga when I'm on TV and I comment about you and Honorable Gachagua. They think I'm being unfair to you, I'm attacking you. My job is to oversight the government at the national level. So even when I will tell you, Your Excellency, the mistakes, I will also tell you, thank you for the good work that you're doing. Kulikuwa na shida, Osoro, wanachapana na Simba, Simba ananigonga, nagonga Monda, Monda anagonga nani? Your Excellency, these young men have agreed to work together and I'm very proud. And I know you have been calling them privately. And I know how hard you've worked. Kwa sababu wote ni kichwa ngumu.
Winko ripoti ya Ndizi TV.